Steam turbine generator efficiency, overall efficiency, performance analysis we seen in the last video. In this video, we are going to see about the cost incurred or cost spent for per unit power generation. That is, what is the power production cost? For 1 kilowatt per hour, consuming how much cost in the self generation or by the steam turbine generator. So data are the same data we taken here also. Apart from this, we need the fuel data, how much fuel we spend for the steam generation that we want to take out, and cost of the fuels spent per metric ton, electricity consumed. Apart from this, we have the accessories for the STG, and it is a condensing turbine, so we have the cooling tower to reduce the temperature of the condensate before processing. So we want to cool down so that heat will be ejected to the cooling tower. So for the cooling tower operations, for electricities, for the lighting powers, and for the boiler, FD fan, whatever the electrical consumables. So here we spend around 800 kilowatt hour. And energy in the steam generated streams. Actually, what we want to do, we want to convert the energy for unit energy, for unit kilojoule. What is the cost? We are generating the steam. For generation of the steam per unit energy generation, what is the cost spent? First, we can calculate such a way that then we can easily calculate the power generation cost. So energy in the steam generated nothing but what is energy generated in the output stream of the boiler? That energy. That is, we have the enthalpy kilojoule per kg we have. That enthalpy is 3200.24. 3200.24. It is in kilojoule per kg. Our generation is 90 tons per hour. So that 90 tons we want to convert into kg. So we put multiplied by 1000. So for unit conversion, kilojoule per hour we need. So this enthalpy is in kilojoule per kg. It is in kg per hour. So kilojoule per hour we got it. So this is the energy stored in the generated steam from the boiler. Energy generated per metric ton of fuel spent. So it is in kilojoule per hour. It is in metric ton per hour. So both we multiple, it will give kilojoule. So multiple, it will not work. So this kilojoule per hour divided by metric ton per hour. So it will get tally, right? So this into this fuel spent and energy stored in the generated steam. It will give kilojoule per hour. Kilojoule per metric ton will get it. Correct? Per metric ton of fuel. Kilojoule per hour divided by want to put divided by, not multiple, want to put divided by. It will give the kilojoule per metric ton. So energy drawn by STG. Actually here this is the DL one. So we are extraction come condensing. So we are drawing some energy for the other process requirement, process heating also. So we want to subtract this energy from the input energy. That's it. So same enthalpy we can take it. So that is 3200.24, right? Inlet enthalpy. Yeah. Into 90 tons per hour. So we convert it into kilojoule, sorry, kg. So into 1000 we multiplied, minus extraction, we are withdrawing the steam of 28 tons. So that also we converted into the kg. This enthalpy is 3008.61. 3008.61. So this is the energy drawn by STG. So rupees spent per kilojoule. So it is in kilojoule per hour. Rupees, how much rupees cost we are spending per kilojoule. So it is in kilojoule per metric ton. It is rupees per metric ton. So this is for 1 metric ton, right? So we are consuming this much metric ton. So now rupees per metric ton into metric ton per hour, it will give rupees per hour. Now rupees per hour we got it. Rupees per hour is there, divided by kilojoule per hour. It is in, we need in rupees per kilojoule, right? So now it is in rupees per hour, we got it. Rupees per hour, we got it. Rupees per hour, we got it. So into divided by, so divided by kilojoule per hour, it will, so rupees per kilojoule, we'll got it, right? Correct. So next what you want to do, now it is in rupees per hour divided by energy generated, this one. So we'll get in rupees per kilojoule. So this is the rupees per kilojoule in the boiler. So this much rupees per kilojoule we are spending. So fuel cost incurred in STG for power generation. The fuel cost incurred in STG, that is rupees per hour we need. So it is in rupees per kilojoule. This divided by this. So rupees per kilojoule divided by rupees per kilojoule into kilojoule per hour, it will give rupees per hour, right? So this much rupees per hour we are spending for the STG power generation, correct? So in this case, this is the per hour cost incurred, cost we are spending in the STG. So this is only the fuel cost. We are consuming the power, that also there. So what we'll do, we are producing the steam and we are producing the power for 8.9 megawatt. Or in that we can subtract this electric consumption, self consumption. So rupees per unit, right? So this will be the rupees divided by 8900 minus 800 kilowatt is the self. So 13.15 is the cost of the power we are producing. So like this we want to calculate the power cost for the STG using STG. So just quick recap. So we have the condensing extraction condensing turbine. In this we are drawing the steam energy also. So this steam energy we want to subtract for the energy drawn by the STG. So fuel spend we need, current fuel cost we required, and electricity self-consumption we need. So energy in the generated steam is nothing but what are the energy produced enthalpy in the steam of the outlet into mass flow rate of the steam which is generated, and then energy spent generated per metric ton of fuel we want to calculate. That is this one divided by metric ton of fuel. So only STG how much, because we are in extraction we are taking out the steam, that we want to subtract it from this, and then for kilojoule how much rupees we are spending, that we want to calculate. By that we can calculate the fuel cost required for STG power generation we calculated. From this we want to subtract the self power consumption, so we'll give the power generation cost in the STG.